In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot TradingView. TradingView has a range of intuitive tools that make capturing your charts simple and straightforward. Whether you want to save an analysis snapshot for later, share insights with your peers, or post directly on social media, TradingView has you covered. Let's dive right into how you can effortlessly screenshot your charts on this platform. First, direct your attention to the top toolbar of your TradingView interface, and there you will notice a small camera icon. It's strategically placed for easy access without obstructing your workspace. Clicking on this camera icon opens up a versatile snapshot menu, providing you with several options tailored to your specific needs. Your first option is to download the image either as a PNG, JPG, or PDF. This is particularly useful when you intend to preserve a high-resolution version of your chart on your device. Perhaps you are compiling a report or want to refer back to a certain setup at a later date. Downloading the image ensures you have a permanent record. Just click the option, and the image will be saved to your default download folder. The next option available is to copy the image directly to your clipboard. This is a great choice if you want to seamlessly paste the image into an email, a document, or a chat window. Instead of taking the extra step of saving and then finding the file, copying straight to the clipboard makes for a smoother, more efficient process. Now, for those who wish to share their charts online or with a group, TradingView provides the option to copy a link, which generates a shareable URL. This feature is incredibly beneficial when collaborating with others, or when you want to share your findings on forums or other platforms. Copying the link ensures that anyone with the link can view the specific chart you've created, with no need to download large files or worry about format compatibility. Lastly, if you're an active user of social media, particularly on X, formerly known as Twitter, TradingView simplifies your sharing process with direct social media integration. By selecting the Share to X option, your chart can quickly be shared with your followers, enabling you to showcase your analysis, predictions, or trading victories in just a few clicks. This tool is perfect for building a community around your trading activities and engaging with other market enthusiasts. And there you have it. Each of these features is designed to make your TradingView experience as smooth and functional as possible. Whether you're storing, sharing, or just maintaining a collection of your trading insights, TradingView's screenshot options keep you connected and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy